Does your garden look boring? Do you think a luxury garden is only for the wealthy? Today, I'm going to show you on Bloom and Blueprint how with just creativity and zero budget, you can create a 5-star vibe right outside your home. Point 1. The magic of lighting. The first and cheapest way is lighting. You don't need expensive solar lamps. Put fairy lights inside old glass jars and hang them on trees. This instantly gives a premium look. Point 2. Group your plants. Instead of scattering plants here and there, arrange them in groups. Keep a tall plant at the back and smaller ones in front. This creates a designer corner that's very soothing to the eyes. Point 3. DIY texture and paint. Paint your old plastic pots in terracotta or stone colors. Keeping a single color theme makes the garden look organized and expensive. Point 4. The statement piece. Every garden needs a hero. Something, a plant or an object, that catches everyone's attention. This makes your space feel expensive. Conclusion and CTA. Luxury isn't just about money. It's the result of your hard work and your taste. If you enjoyed these hacks, be sure to subscribe to Bloom and Blueprint and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite hack.